Hi viewers, this is Abhijit and you are watching the Indian Hollywood. Basically, this particular episode is all about a monopod. Basically, this is a monopods. I have already unboxed this and I have shown what is inside this box. So it's basically this particular episode in front of you to show that which type of monopod I have already used in my blogs. Actually, this monopod I have already used in my blogs, and this is a particular episode for all of you who have decided that which kind of monopod they have to be buy for his purpose, or for this particular features I have buy this particular monopod as because of I can think that I can use it as a monopod, as a tripod, as because of it is a small tripod legs. By which it can convert you a tripod, but you have considered one thing, that this is not a huge loaded as a tripod, as because of these have a small leg and you can easily stand it in full length without any problem, as because of as there are any huge point or huge vibration, you can control your camera in this particular monopod, as because the length of the leg of this particular adjustable tripod is minimum. For that you have to use it as a monopod or a tripod. So let's have open this particular box and see what is inside this box. And this particular box is from Simpex and the model number is 882. That is a monopod, and this particular monopod is cost me near about 2350 rupees from Metro Gully. You know the Metro Gully, this is from the Calcutta. And this is a particular box, and this is a professional monopod. Yes, this is a professional monopod, as because of you can use it in lots of range of your use of your works, and I use it in my professional works, my wedding photography, my normal bloggings, and all of things I have used it. Yes, I am very much satisfied, and for this particular reason I have prepared these blogs for all of you. Okay, so let's have see what is inside this particular box. Okay, let's start. This is a box and we have to be unbox it. I said that I have already unboxed it, and what is inside this box? Let's open. In this box you can get a small audio box. The material is good, and okay, left it, and quality is good. Particularly this box, you can easily handle it. For your requirement, there is an adjustable strap. You can fix it in your shoulders or in your back easily. And let's open the main box and see what is inside this. This is, you can see this. This is a particular things. This is the required for your DSLR camera for fix this with the monopod head. Okay, open this. You get some polythenes, and with inside this you get the main things. Yes, this is the main monopods. The quality is superb. I can suggest this particular quality is superb and very hardy quality. You can easily use it. I show the details of this particular. This is a particular leg that can use as a monopod. No, this for this particular leg you can use it as a tripod. Yes, yes, and yes. like Avengers use. Yes, this is like Avengers. Particular this leg you can use as a tripod. It can easily fixed, and without any problem you can use it as a tripod. And when you open this particular end, it can easily use as a monopod. Let's open it. Yes, this particular portion is detachable, and now you can use it as a monopod. Okay, you have also the particular things in this box. You can easily fix it to the end of this monopod. Now this portion is no friction with this particular floor. Okay, now fix this particular monopod to these special features to its tripod. Now you can easily stand it like this. Easily stand within and ground very easily. No movement, particularly in this area. When you use it as a monopod or maybe tripod, it can easily swivel in any direction like this. Particular wheel, it can easily swivel very easily. And when you have not required, just left it and then you have to tighten it. And now it is fixed, easily fixed. This type of features you have get in this particular monopod. If you buy a normal monopod, these special features you have not get in your monopod. So you have to consider this type of things before buying the special monopods. This is the syntax and 882. You have to be remind this, and this can easily adjust your length as per your requirement. This is the knobs, and you can easily increase the length. All the knobs you can easily adjust it. At any position you can fix it. Okay. And main features is this particular monopod is that it can easily control the movement by this upper head. These particular head portions of this monopod, you can easily adjust it in circular position or in inclined positions. Control your DSLR camera with this particular monopod. That's because of there are lots of options in this market regarding your fixing your DSLR camera. That is lots of gimbals are available, but that is too much costly. I think so. That is too much costly, and you can control your camera with this particular monopod very easily in low budget. As because of this particular price range of this monopod is 2350 rupees. I have already told about this. For this I suggest this particular monopod to all of you to control a better photography and your videography very easily in low budget. You can view the movement is very easy, very easy. There are no vibration. I can assure that there are no vibration in this particular monopod. You think that you show that very slow and very slow. In any direction it can easily move. towards 360 degree, and this particular portion is used as a fixed your. This is the particular norms, and this particular thread have in your back position or end position of your DSLR camera, by which it can easily fix to your camera, and this head is fixed to your monopod, and this portion is fixed to your monopod very easily. This particular episode will help you to suggest to choose a particular monopod for your favorite photography, and that can reduce your cost to avoid a gimbals or any other things. And you that's particular this monopod can also help you control your camera for long time, as because of the weight of this particular 2 to 3 kgs and more than this particular weight, and for a long time it is handling is difficult for a particular work, for particular persons. For that I suggest this particular monopod or tripod use as your daily work. Thanks to all, and thanks for watching this particular episode. If this episode is helpful to you, so please give, comment, like and share the channel The Indian Holiday Makers. Thanks of all of you.